Script: Rick Grimes live from the Robotech factory. Battle of the VF-22 versus Rogue 1X Neo Gamma gangs. Scene: Rick Grimes stands in front of a sleek, modern Robotech factory. The factory is a marvel of advanced engineering, with towering VF-22 Sturmvogel 2 variable fighters in various stages of assembly visible in the background. The camera pans to show a live feed of a battle raging in the distance. VF-22s engaging Rogue 1X Neo Gamma humanoid gangs. Explosions light up the sky, and the sound of laser fire echoes in the background. Rick Grimes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rick Grimes, and today we're live from the state-of-the-art factory of Nzambi Aerospace, one of the most advanced robotech manufacturers in the world. And let me tell you folks, we've got a front row seat to the action. Those VF-22 Sturmvogel 2s you see in the distance? They're taking on a gang of Rogue 1X Neo Gamma humanoids. It's like Mad Max meets Top Gun out there. Cut to footage of the battle. A VF-22 in fighter mode streaks across the sky, dodging laser fire from a Rogue Neo Gamma. It transforms into Batroid mode mid-air, delivering a devastating blow with its Mauler Red B-22 converging energy cannons. These VF-22s are no joke, folks. They're packing thermonuclear engines, active stealth systems, and enough firepower to take down a small army. And guess what? You can customize your own VF-22 from the comfort of your couch. That's right, Nzambi Aerospace has a website where you can design your dream Veritech. Pick your color, armor, engine, cockpit, you name it. It's like Tesla, but for giant robots that can kick butt. Rick walks through the factory, showcasing the assembly lines where VF-22s are being built. The camera captures the intricate process of constructing these advanced variable fighters, from the installation of pinpoint barrier systems to the testing of micro-missile launchers. Alright, let's take a look inside this place. First up, we've got the engine bay. These bad boys are powered by Shinakasu P&W FF2450B thermonuclear engines. That's right, thermonuclear. These engines can hit Mach 5 in the atmosphere and Mach 22 in space. And if you're feeling fancy, you can upgrade to the Kalu Venture Capital Hyperdrive Edition. Yeah, Kalu Ventures, named after the São Tomé and Príncipe god of speed and innovation, they're the ones funding this insanity. Cut to footage of a VF-22 in Gerwalk mode, hovering above the factory floor as engineers make final adjustments. Next up, we've got the cockpit. Now, this isn't your average joystick and pedals setup. Oh no, this baby's got a Brain Direct Image BDI control system. You think it, the VF-22 does it. And if you're feeling extra, you can customize your cockpit with leather seats, a mini fridge, and even a holographic display of your favorite pet. Because why not? Customizing your VF-22 on the Nzambi Aerospace website. Rick sits down at a computer terminal pulling up the Nzambi Aerospace website. The screen shows a sleek interface where users can customize their VF-22. Alright, let's design our own VF-22. First, we pick the color. I'm going with matte black, because nothing says I mean business like a stealthy murder machine. Next, armor. Do you want lightweight titanium or heavy-duty Zentradi alloy? I'm going with Zentradi. Gotta be ready for those Rogue Neo Gammas, right? He clicks through the options, adding a custom decal of a flaming skull. And there we go, flaming skull decal, because if you're gonna save the world, you might as well look cool doing it. Now, let's talk engines. Standard thermonuclear, or do we go all out with the Kalu Ventures Hyperdrive? Hyperdrive it is. Because why settle for Mach 22 when you can go even faster? He finishes the design, and the screen shows a 3D rendering of the customized VF-22. And there you have it, folks. Your very own VF-22 Sturmvogel 2. All you gotta do is hit order now, and Nzambi Aerospace will build it for you. Shipping and handling not included. Oh, and if you're worried about the price, don't be. They've got financing options. Because who doesn't want to pay off a giant robot in monthly installments? Rick sits down with Nzambi Alika, the CEO of Nzambi Aerospace. Nzambi is a charismatic figure, dressed in a sleek, modern suit with a pin of the company's logo, a stylized VF-22, on her lapel. Nzambi, thank you for having us here today. First off, let's talk about the battle we just witnessed. How does it feel to see your VF-22s in action? Rick, it's exhilarating. The VF-22 is more than just a machine, it's a symbol of human ingenuity and resilience. When we see it out there, protecting our city from rogue synthetics, it reminds us why we do what we do. And with the support of Kalu Ventures and Lemba Capital, named after the São Tomé and Príncipe goddess of creation, we're pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And what's next for Nzambi Aerospace? Any new projects in the works? Absolutely. We're already working on the next generation of Veritechs, faster, smarter, and even more customizable. And we're expanding our online platform to include virtual reality tours of the factory. Imagine putting on a headset and walking through this facility, designing your VF-22 in real time. The future is here, Rick, and it's looking pretty amazing. Key takeaways. The VF-22 Sturmvogel 2, a cutting-edge variable fighter that's as customizable as it is powerful. Nzambi Aerospace, a leader in robotech innovation backed by Kalu Ventures and Lemba Capital. The battle, A thrilling showdown between VF-22s and Rogue 1X Neo Gamma humanoids, showcasing the future of combat. Customization. Design your own VF-22 online, from color to engines to decals. Folks, this has been an incredible experience. From touring the factory to designing our own VF-22, it's clear that Nzambi Aerospace is at the forefront of robotech innovation. If you're as fascinated by this as I am, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, this is Rick Grimes, signing off from the future. Stay safe out there. The video ends with a sweeping shot of the factory, the VF-22s standing tall, and the city of Madripoor in the distance, bathed in the glow of a setting sun. End of script.